frames on.
Ice coming up, I'm spinning. Stay with your traction.
Thanks for the heads up.
Just put it into grass, gravel, snow, just in case.
Yeah.
You come up through the ice, through the gates, the S-bend-ish to the left, stick to the right hand side, and then cut across to the left.
Perfect, thank you.
Wow, look at that.
That's amazing.
Do you think was this gate open?
I'm going to assume so.
Wow.
Keep your foot in.
I know. Wow. It's alright.
I know, you've got this.
I'm going back to where the... Thank you.
Yeah, we've just spun out, so we're going to be a little bit behind you at the moment.
Are you stopped or are you carrying on moving?
We're still moving at the moment. We're just going backwards to have another run up.
Okay, choose the third option. The one with the little tree, not the cactus one on it.
That one, yeah. Yeah, we got it. We're just going to have a second run up. We weren't expecting it to be quite as slippery as what it was.
Yeah, that option allows for a bit more wheel spin and it doesn't cut power like the first one does.
No, I wasn't expecting it to be quite that slippy, so I didn't have my foot in as much. And when you said put your foot in, it's like, yeah, I'm trying to just cut my power.
I thought one of the tyres might find a bit of...
Anytime you like. Wow.
Try again. I think you're just going to have to find momentum.
Well, the rest of after that ice, the rest of it's clear. As in, no ice.
Wow.
Yeah, once we get through this gate section, I think we'll be laughing. We're just having a bit of a wheel spin issue at the moment.
I think having no traction control is better because it's cutting it. Literally, it's giving me nothing.
You probably are down to the compound on your tyres at the moment then.
Oh, yes.
Breathe.
Oh no, I'm fine. It's
Chill.
just my issue. There we go. I'm not using the ice. Simple.
No.
No, the issue is, it's not that. As I'm putting my foot down, the traction control or whatever's cutting the power.
Yeah.
So I know what I need to do, but the car's stopping me. On our way. Tell him.
Yeah, we're through the gate now. We're on our way.
Good. It's just, yeah, there's no more ice, so just sit it in first gear.
Thank you. Oh, well.
Thank you.
The water running through there. Can you see it?
Yeah.